Hello friends, I'm Malcolm. Today I'm going to talk about 10 things which you should not do on your PTE test day. First, don't undersleep before your PTE test, which means have a good night's sleep, rest enough. If you don't sleep well enough before your exam, obviously you will be tired and you will not be able to concentrate 100%. Hope it makes sense. Number 2. Don't reach late to your test center. Reach on time. Even better, visit your test center one day before your exam so that you know the exact address and location. If you reach on time, you will be mentally prepared and everything will go smoothly. Number 3, very important. Don't forget your passport. Without your passport, there is a very high chance that you will not be allowed to sit for your PT exam. So please remember and take your passport. Number 4, before you enter the test center, don't drink a lot of water as you might have to visit the washroom then. It might sound funny, but it's a practical advice, so keep it in mind. Number 5, if you reach the test center early, don't talk much with the people around you. That will only cause doubts and distraction in your mind. It seems trivial, but that's what a lot of people do, and according to me, it's a big no-no. Number 6, don't take a mock test on or just one day before your test date. That will just lead to a reduction in the confidence and might cause confusion as well. So that is why I suggest don't take a mock test on or one day before your exam date. Highly not recommended. Number 7, don't start your test without checking the mic properly. This is a very important thing which I am telling. Before you give your personal introduction, you have to do a mic test where you see a small volume button which is generally set at 50% in the middle. Remember to keep it at about 70 to 80%. That is the recommended volume setting by PTE as well. Next, in your exam, whenever you take notes, don't forget to close the lid of the marker pen. If the marker pen remains open, it might go dry and then stop working. That's why remember to close the lid of the marker pen whenever it's not in use. One more suggestion is, during the exam, just because your neighbors are speaking too loud, you should not speak too loud. You must speak at a normal voice with full confidence and always focus on fluency and clarity. Those two things matter the most. My last suggestion from my personal experience and from a lot of other students is, while booking the exam, again, it is my suggestion. While booking the exam, try not to book it too late or in the late evening slot, because if you go too late, you might be anxious, you might be mentally tired and fatigued, and you might not be able to give your 100% because of this tiredness or because of your tired mind. That's why don't book it too late. If you find value in the video, don't forget to like it, make sure you follow us, and also comment which other videos you'd like us to make. Thank you so much. I'm Malcolm.